everybody, we're back again with Eran with Unlock Potential. He's going to continue on telling us a little bit about the locksmith business. Eran, I know that many years ago when somebody they needed a new key or a new lock or something, or a new key, they thought they had to get the whole mechanism changed. And is that true in this day and age? And when do you have to get the whole mechanism changed?
That's a great question, Jeffrey. I think that if a lock is performing the right way and the tumbler is turning, let you access through the locking the mechanism, there is no need to change the hardware.
So what do?
You can change the key by rekeying that lock to a different key. So the old key will not work, and the new key will be the only one that operate that lock. A lot of time there is some difficulties for the tumbler to turn. That's mostly caused by either a lock that is not serviced, not lubricant enough, or some locks that are exposed to the elements.
Right.
On exterior doors, they get kind of gunky and they get kind of dirty inside the keyhole. So those can lead to problems. Other stuff like even when a lock is not installed right, it will kind of make trouble.
Right.
And yeah, it's important to make sure that the lock is installed properly. Then his operation will be much easier and will not wear and tear.
So you won't have to. You don't need to replace the tumbler then, unless something is really wrong with the tumbler on the inside.
Yeah. Sometimes the only things that kind of happening is springs that broke down, or frozen pins inside that prevent that lock from operating the right efficient way.
What happens if you break your key off in a lock? Do you have to get the whole thing changed, or?
No. There is a procedure that the locksmith can do to extract that broken key out of the tumbler.
Nice.
And make sure that no damage has been done, and you're good to go.
Cool. And now another important part of, I think, just keys in general is car keys. Do you do car keys, and do you do the car fobs and everything, the key fobs and that whole business?
Yes, I do. Every car has a different keyway, a different way that the anti-theft mechanism is constructed.
Right.
And it's also a unique one. For each car, only there is a chip inside that can be read by the ignition antenna. Make sure that it's the right key that affiliated with the car computer, and then it will start the car. If you have a key that turns the cylinder and that chip is not programmed for the car computer, it will not start.
Won't go on.
That's the whole thing.
So do you work? Can you work on the keys and also you work on the locking mechanisms also?
Sometimes yes, sometimes there is problems. A lot of time people have a keychain that is heavy, for example. You have a lot of weight on that keychain that will, with time, will affect and kind of wear the tumblers, the wafers inside the cylinder, and can lead to problems.
Good stuff, Eran. My last question is about those little pesky batteries that are in those keys that will, open and close your door electronically. Can you take care of the batteries, or do we have to go to, a dealer to do that?
That's a great question, Jeffry. I think that a lot of time we get the key, we work with the key, with the keyless entry, we kind of open and close. Sometimes those batteries end their life, and it's not something very complicated to replace that battery. It's a small flat coin size battery that need to be replaced in order to make sure that the frequency that the remote need to provide will provide it.
So it's an easy fix.
It's an easy fix. It's easy fix, and you can either call Locksmith to do it, or even check online, and you can do it yourself.
Just do a Google on that.
You know.
Right. Cool. Hey everybody, this is Eran with Unlock Potential. Eran's going to have again his information at the end of the video, and give him a call. You know, if you have a question, I'm sure he'd be glad to answer it.
Any question?
He's very helpful. I can say I know Eran has been referred out many times, so I know he's good at what he does. Look for his information, look for my information if you need to buy or sell a house, and we'll see you down the line with another informational video. Thanks so much and have a great day.